Introduction. Being a freelancer or self-employed professional comes with a lot of opportunities, including the flexibility to work on your own schedule, the ability to choose what projects to take on, and the potential to earn more money. However, it also presents some unique challenges when it comes to managing your personal finances. This guide aims to offer practical advice and tools for freelancers and self-employed professionals to control their finances effectively. Budgeting. As a freelancer or self-employed professional, your income may not be as steady as someone who has a traditional 9-to-5 job. Creating a budget and sticking to it is crucial. This will help you to manage your money and avoid overspending. To create a budget, 1. Determine your monthly income. This includes all sources of income such as client payments or payment from any gigs. 2. List all your expenses: rent, mortgage, groceries, utilities, phone bill, travel expenses, taxes, and anything like that you spend on a monthly basis. 3. Categorize your expenses. Split your expenses into categories such as necessary rent, utilities, and non-essential eating out, shopping. 4. Allocate and prioritize expenses. Figure out how much you can afford to spend in each category. Tools like Mint, Every Dollar, and YNAB can be beneficial in helping you track and manage your budget. Tax planning. As a freelancer or self-employed professional, you may be required to pay more in taxes as compared to someone who has a traditional job. It is essential to understand the tax requirements that come with being self-employed. Consult a tax professional or accountant to get the best advice on what taxes you need to pay and how to reduce your tax liability. Be prepared by setting aside a portion of your income every month to cover taxes. Keep good records of your income and expenses related to your self-employment for preparing and filing your tax returns. Make sure you keep track of expenses such as travel, office supplies, and equipment, because these can be deductible expenses that offset your tax liability. Retirement planning. Being self-employed, saving for retirement is entirely on your shoulders. You don't have an employer-sponsored retirement plan, so you have to set up your account. There are many retirement savings plan options to consider, such as a traditional or Roth IRA, solo 401k, or simplified employee pension SEP IRA. Consult a financial professional to determine which retirement savings plan fits your needs. Aim to save at least 15% of your income towards retirement. Set it up so that your contributions are automatically added to your retirement account each month, so there's no temptation to spend that money on other expenses. Managing cash flow. As a freelancer or self-employed professional, managing cash flow can sometimes be challenging. Your payment may not always be on time, and sometimes it might not come through at all. It's essential to have some cash reserves set aside for when you face cash flow issues. Here are some tips for managing your cash flow. 1. Invoice promptly and follow up. Sending your invoices as soon as your work is done and following up on late or missed payments will help keep your cash flow smooth. 2. Plan ahead. Create a cash flow forecast spreadsheet to estimate your income and expenses for the upcoming months. 3. Cut back on unnecessary expenses. Reevaluate every expense in your budget and see where you can cut back to increase your cash flow. 4. Save for emergencies. Setting aside some of your income for an emergency fund can help you manage unexpected expenses. Conclusion. Managing your finances as a freelancer or self-employed professional can be challenging, but with some planning, budgeting, and savings, you can create a solid financial foundation. Remember to be patient, disciplined, and always seek professional advice when needed. With the right strategy, you can succeed in controlling your finances and reaching your financial goals.